Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to automate email marketing in Shopify using Shopify email to increase sales and engage customers effortlessly. Stay tuned till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Shopify email. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Shopify email, and click Add App to install it. Step 2. Create an automation. In your Shopify admin, go to Marketing, Automations, then click Create Automation and choose a template like Welcome Emails or Abandoned Cart Recovery. Step 3. Customize your emails. Edit the email template with your branding, product images, and personalized messages to make it more engaging. Step 4. Set up automation rules. Define triggers and conditions for when emails should be sent, such as after a customer abandons their cart or makes a purchase. Step 5. Enable and monitor performance. Turn on the automation, then track email performance through analytics to optimize open rates and conversions. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to automate email marketing in Shopify using Shopify email to grow your store. If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.